Does Kraken support U.S. customers? Intro. Question hook. Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Ever wondered if Kraken, one of the biggest names in the crypto exchange game, is open for business to U.S. residents? Well, that's exactly what we're diving into today. Building context. Kraken's reputation. Kraken has been around for quite a while, building a reputation for its security, liquidity, and a wide range of supported cryptocurrencies. But when it comes to U.S. customers, things can get a bit tricky. U.S. regulatory landscape. The United States has a pretty complex regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency exchanges. The SEC, CFTC, and various state regulators all have a say in the matter. This can make it challenging for exchanges to operate legally in all parts of the country. Addressing the main question. Kraken stance. So, does Kraken support U.S. customers? Well, kind of. It's a bit of a complicated situation. State by state, Kraken operates on a state-by-state basis. This means that depending on where you live in the U.S., you might or might not be able to use Kraken. Prohibited states. There are a few states where Kraken is explicitly prohibited from operating. These states typically have stricter regulations or have taken a more cautious approach to cryptocurrency. Verification process. Even if you live in a state where Kraken is allowed, you'll need to go through a verification process to confirm your identity and residency. This is a standard procedure for most cryptocurrency exchanges. Factors affecting U.S. support. Regulatory changes. The regulatory landscape for cryptocurrency is constantly evolving. New laws and regulations can impact Kraken's ability to serve U.S. customers. Exchange policies. Kraken itself may also change its policies regarding U.S. support. It's always a good idea to check their website for the most up-to-date information. Alternatives for U.S. customers. Other exchanges. If Kraken isn't an option for you, there are plenty of other reputable cryptocurrency exchanges that do serve U.S. customers. Some popular choices include Coinbase, Binance.us, and Gemini. Considerations. When choosing an alternative exchange, consider factors like fees, security, supported cryptocurrencies, and user experience. Conclusion. Recap. So, to recap, Kraken's support for U.S. customers is a bit of a mixed bag. While it's available in many states, there are some restrictions and limitations. Research and due diligence. If you're a U.S. resident interested in using Kraken, it's crucial to do your research and make sure it's available in your state. And remember, there are always other excellent options out there. Call to action. If you have any questions about Kraken or other cryptocurrency exchanges, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more crypto content. Closing statement. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.